Is AI going to replace actuaries? Should you avoid the actuarial career? Well, in all honesty, AI is part of the actuarial career evolution. If you're worried about it taking over, eliminating actuarial jobs and essentially rendering the career obsolete, then I personally think it comes from a lack of understanding about the actuarial career and actuarial work, which is completely fine for someone that is not very familiar with it and has never really worked in an actuarial role. But here's my take. AI is just another tool that actuaries can use. You'll see exactly what I mean in an example I have coming up in a little bit, but first, let me put this into perspective for you. Imagine back to the invention of computers. Now, computers were invented back in the 1800s, but the use of computers for actuarial work didn't really start until the 1950s, so that's only about 70 years ago. You can probably envision people at that time who knew actuaries used paper and calculators to do all their actuarial work would have the exact same fears and concerns, thinking that computers will make actuarial work so much easier, the career is going to be basically extinct in 10 years. However, that never happened. Computers are a tool that actuaries rely on every single day now, and we couldn't even imagine going back to the old way of doing things. That's like AI now. AI is a tool, just like a computer. It makes some parts of actuarial work easier. But for companies that have millions and billions of dollars on the line, plus the trust and responsibility and legal obligation to thousands of people and businesses, plus regulators on their every move, they can't leave decisions and risk-related work, which is often what actuaries are responsible for, completely up to AI. Robbie, who agreed to lowering premiums by 50%? Oh, the AI did? Oh, okay, well, tell the AI it's being sued. Oh, wait. Actuaries need to know how calculations are done, why they're being done, and they need to influence those calculations based on different factors such as the long-term goals of the company, the objectives of the company, and regulator requirements. So here's what you really need to know regarding AI for actuarial careers. The primary opportunity is really in time savings, more than anything else. Actuaries could do anything that an AI can do: experience studies, model creation, data cleaning, but it would usually take longer for a human to do it. Keep in mind though that anything that AI does would need to be thoroughly reviewed by actuaries, and the logic behind any AI created tools or output would need to be explicitly available to actuaries and completely understood by the actuarial team. But still, it can happen a lot faster. So what happens when actuaries can do things faster? Well, sure, it means that some jobs and responsibilities will be eliminated. But at the same time, it means that one actuary can do more. They can finish a task that would typically take 6 months in maybe a month. They can finish a task that would take 3 weeks in a couple days. But that is opportunity. Maybe a no AI company would choose not to pursue a 6-month-long study on data collected from client fitness watches, for example, because they don't have the actuarial capacity to do the study for 6 months. But with AI, this study only takes about a month, so it's totally reasonable. Then they can incorporate their findings into premiums, they can market their products differently, maybe they can come up with new products that never existed before. Plus, they can do this study on an annual basis. But when they do that, competitors notice. Competitors want to do it too. And within a few years, that becomes the norm. It just becomes what actuaries do. It becomes part of the career responsibilities. Because once one company is taking advantage of AI, they all will. They need to in order to stay competitive. And that's why this is an evolution in the actuarial career. The need for companies to stay competitive forces them to use AI so that they can do more with the resources they have. More than was ever realistic or possible before AI came into the picture. It can mean eliminating some jobs that previously required actuaries. But the actuarial career is evolving into something new. New ways of thinking, new ideas, new responsibilities, and new jobs. And that's why I believe AI isn't a bad thing at all for the actuarial career and for up-and-coming actuaries. It's not something to fear if you are considering the actuarial career. We are moving into a new version of the actuarial career, and that's an exciting thing to be involved with. So if the thought of incorporating AI into the actuarial career is something that excites you, I have oh so much to share with you about how to actually make this career a reality for you. So first off, you've got to know the good, the bad, and the ugly about the career. And by the way, just because you love math doesn't necessarily mean you should be an actuary. So you got to know all this stuff before you can even decide if the career would be right for you and make the right decision for your future. So with that, I will leave you to go watch this video next, and I'll see you in there. Bye for now.